uh, I don't know if I've ever said this in any of my interviews. In the beginning, when I found out, goodbye agad. Kasi ganun ako, parang, ay, ayoko na. Ay, ngayon kasi social media is so powerful. At least at that time, makokontrol mo pa yung kung sino makakaalam, makakakita ng mga nangyayari or kung ano yung sinasabi mo. Pag nabash, then nabash. If I sit down, what kind of sister am I? I know I risk being a kontrabida. I know I risk being called nosy, chismosa. I knew I risked actually getting on her bad side. But it is more important to get it right. You can't tell me to believe in stuff that you believe in, di ba? Parang, if I respect that you have different politics, you have different beliefs, yeah. And if I voice out my opinion, it's an opinion. Hindi ko naman sinabi sa'yo, ikaw maniwala ka sa sinasabi ko eh. Marami ring maganda sa Philippines. As parang I choose Philippines over whatever is over there. Yeah. Yung opportunities for every person, anybody, na nakukuha at na ibibigay, parang sayang. Pwede naman dito yun, ba't hindi nagagawa dito yun?
If there is one thing, two things about my guest today, it's that first, she is an open book, and second, she's amazingly scandal-free. 35 years, more actually, in showbiz and scandal-free. How do you remain intrigue-free and controversy-free after 35 years in the biz? Known for its, ay nako, grabe drama and intriga. Well, she has remained that way. Refreshingly relevant and, shall we say, spotless. Jelly de Belen. Welcome,
Takot naman
Jelly.
ako doon.
Hindi talaga. Grabe ka. Wala kang filter pag nagsasalita, no? You just say what you think.
Oo nga eh.
And you think what you say. I know it. You mean it.
Yeah. I don't
Where
know.
did you get that?
I don't know. I grew up like this. I was like this ever since. So, feeling
Because
ko,
Janice is not like that.
not to the extent I am.
And not only that, Janice was not scandal-free.
I think I learned a lot growing up.
From her?
Yes. Kasi at a very young age, I was very observant. Kasi I was in and out of the business. Even if I would do work as a child actor, hindi naman ako full-on dire-diretsong artista. Parang I would have worked like for 6 months doing a show, and then may rest. I would still go to school. It was never something as rigorous as what Janice went through. Tapos siguro I had time to actually observe, see, and kasi parang for me, dati shy ako. Okay, I know, it's hard to believe. I used to be shy. Pero
Wow.
feeling ko parang dahil doon, tahimik lang ako sa bahay, na nakikinig sa mga usapan nila, nanonood ako. I used to tape all my sister's shows. That was my job. Ako ang nasa TV, ako taga-press ng record, ganyan.
Talaga?
So, ang dami ko napapanood, ang dami ko nakikita, ang dami ko na-observe. So, sabi ko, etong mga ganito, ayoko yan. Etong mga ganito, tatapon ko yan. Etong mga ganito, gusto ko yan. So, siguro, growing up, na-imbibe ko yun. Kaya, naging mas maingat ako. At saka, dati rin kasi my mom would say, "Oy, ingat ka sa sinasabi mo, ha?"
So, ginaganon ka naman ng
Oo, kasi nga madaldal din ako.
Pero kunyari, nung nangyari yung kay Janice.
Which one of those?
Ano, yung una muna, yung I think yung pinaka-controversial, yung kay Aga. Because I remember,
'cause she was
she
so
said
young.
something like, God was there when
Kaya
we were doing
pinagtatawanan
it,
namin
no?
yun. Tinutokso ko siya dun.
So at that time when she said that, what did you say to her? If you even
I
said
was-
anything.
I was 13, I think, or 12 at that time.
And what did you think about what she said?
I found it hilarious.
At 13, you found that funny?
Yeah.
You didn't find that serious na parang, Ate, ano ba yan?
It was funny because, what are you saying? For me, parang, what is that? Ganon. What the heck was that? Yun ang feeling ko. Pero syempre, hindi ko ma-voice out yon. Pero pag kaming dalawa, ano ba yung sinabi mo? What
Ano
did
raw
you
sinabi
say?
niya?
Kasi syempre, feeling ko parang, at that very young age also,
She
uh,
was, how old was she?
she was, I think, 18 at the time.
Okay.
So what did we know when we were 18? Pag meron ka narinig, may ay, sounds good or something. Feeling mo, okay sabihin. Feeling ko yun ang mga pinagdaanan niya at that time. Kaya sinabi niya. Talaga, ngayon pinagtatawanan namin.
Talaga?
Parang, siya, ba't ko ba nasabi yun? Alam mo ba, naaalala ko yan, nagmimisa dun sa, napunta ako sa church, nagmas ako.
Oh.
That was the same time na she said it. And then, yun ang sermon ng pare.
Oh, come on.
I swear, sinabi nung pare na, you know this actress, chu-chu-chu-chu-chu-chu. Eh, hindi ko kasama si Jenny sa church nun. Ako lang at
Buti na
saka,
lang.
hindi ko maalala, ako lang ata. Kasi nasa choir ako. Nasa choir ako. So, sa village lang namin yun. Well, anyway,
Hindi alam ni father?
hindi alam ni, ewan ko kay father. Kasi feeling ko naman parang, father talaga, hindi mo alam, andun ako. Pero,
Diba?
baka hindi kasi guest father siya nun eh.
Ah,
Hindi siya yung usual father.
okay.
So, nag-sermon siya. Sabi ko, ay, nakakaloka. So, Janice yung sinasabi niya. Oh my gosh. Pag uwi ko, sinabi ko sa nanay ko. Nanaloka sila. O, ayan. Yan yung mga pakiramdam ko at that time. I found it like, that it was so off. But, funny. Why would you take somebody who says something like that seriously? And she was only 18.
Yeah.
So, parang, what's the big deal?
Pero, kumbaga, it gave you a window into the intrigue that was in showbiz, di ba?
That's precisely, that's probably precisely why I'm more maingat ng konti.
Talaga ba?
Ng konti lang.
Hindi, pero ang galing mo nga, you speak your mind, pero hindi ka iniintriga, walang umaaway sa'yo. Or baka na-intimidate sa'yo.
Hindi ko alam. Feeling ko baka namang, ewan ko, hindi ko rin alam. Baka, wala. Hindi ko alam.
You know, and even after, you know, your breakup with Ariel Ven, no?
Mm-hmm.
Parang, you were not playing the victim card, for sure, no?
Yeah.
But everybody was on your side and you were quiet, even though, you know, there was a third party and we all knew who she was.
Mhm.
Diba? Parang, ang quiet mo at hindi, again, no? Parang ka talagang, Teflon. Parang,
Credit to my mom when it comes to that. That time of my life. I was so raring to talk.
oh, really?
I was so raring to talk. But she said, take it easy. Just chill muna. Give it some time. Okay. Tama naman. So, tapos mamaya pag meron ako narinig, nakakainis. Tapos she'll say, no, it's okay. Just chill. Tama. That's the right thing to do. I knew it, but then of course, if she had prodded me na, go talk, I would have. I probably would have.
Galing naman ni mama.
In fairness to my mom, credit to her talaga. Pagdating nun sa time na yun of my life.
And credit to you for listening to her.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you know, kasi usually when you're earning your own money,
Hindi ka na nakikinig,
Oo, parang, tsaka
I-
old-fashioned kayo eh. Iba na ang panahon.
I know what I want. I mean, I
Diba?
know what I'm doing.
Oo.
I'm old enough.
Oo, no?
May mga ganyan naman din kasi tayong paninindigan at that
Yes.
age, di ba?
Yeah.
But at that time, I guess, I also knew deep inside na it was not the time to talk.
Yeah.
Kasi kung
Galing ng self-control mo talaga.
Kasi kung naniniwala talaga ako sa gagawin ko rin naman din di ba? Pero since sabi ni Mami, okay, alam, may punto siya. Pwede. So parang nag-work lang na sinabi lang sa akin ni Mami, come on, just take it easy.
Yeah.
Don't talk yet. It's not the time.
And but you did not think of, ending it at that point, no?
I did.
Well, you did, but later
I went
on
back.
you reconciled.
Yeah, we
also,
reconciled.
No?
Yeah.
Parang buti hindi mo siya initsapwera kasi yung iba, they would have said, wala na, I can't trust you after what you've done. Di ba sabi nga nila,
Yes.
if the guy,
Once,
boyfriend mo pa lang, ginanyan ka na, di lalo na.
Mas lalo na kapag
Oo,
kayo
di ba
na.
may mga ganyan?
You know what? I actually had that thinking. I don't know if I've ever said this in any of my interviews. In the beginning, when I found out, goodbye agad. Kasi ganoon ako, parang, ay, ayoko na. Eh,
Yeah.
huwag ka na mag-explain. Baka maniwala ako eh.
Yeah.
Huwag ka na mag-explain. Ayoko na. Goodbye ka agad. On the very day I found out, I ended it, and then, finished.
Okay.
Tapos, galit ako. Galit, di makatulog. Ayaw makinig ng mga music na malungkot. Yung mga ganong levels.
Heartbreak talaga eh.
Heartbroken,
Oo.
ganyan. After 3 months, or a little bit, basta may nagparamdam na ulit. Tapos yung isa, ay hindi, ayoko pa rin, ayoko. Tapos sabi ng nanay ko, usap nga tayo. Si mami talaga, in fairness to her, sabi niya, parang, at least, I think before he asked me if we could talk.
Mhm.
And then, I think, I don't know if I said yes right away, I forget. I probably did. But then my mom said, before I went to talk to him, she said, anong plano mo?
Mm.
Sabi ko, ay,
Na,
arte? Ay, pride talaga. Pero alam niya kasi that I've never been this, attached to a person eh. Sabi niya, mahal mo eh, di ba? Yeah.
Oo.
What's stopping you? Ganun ba? Is it pride? Is it nga, no? Mahal ko naman talaga. Siyempre, dinideny ko sa sarili ko yun. Hindi, kaya ko. Pero, I think a mother's instinct as well, parang feeling niya na, if you don't try it now, you'll probably live to wonder, what if I went back to him?
Mhm.
Would it have worked?
Mhm.
But if you go back and then it doesn't work, then you know it really won't work. Finished na. Ay, ganun ba?
But you're opening yourself up to another wound, di ba? Ganyan yung fear, di ba?
That was my fear. Kasi ang taas ng pride ko eh. And I've always been vocal about, ay nako, kapag nagganyan, lalo na from the experiences of my sister, so feeling ko parang, ayoko, hindi ko kaya. More than being strong, I think it was more, I didn't want to feel pain again.
Ah, it's not a nice sensation to
It's,
feel.
hindi siya hindi siya bravery eh, hindi siya courage eh. So anyway, when I went down, tapos nag-usap na kami na, parang, sige, try natin. Buti na lang kinausap ako ni Mami. Kasi I was actually, I had no plan. I just, sige, what are you going to say to me?
No plan to what?
I had no plan on what I was gonna do pag nag-uusap kami ni Ariel.
Okay.
Parang, what was I gonna, wala akong
Yeah.
plano, hindi ko naisip. Buti na lang kinausap ako ni Mami, parang, ayaw nga dapat isipin ko muna. Pag bata ka talaga, parang lahat head first, ano pala.
Ang galing ni Mami, no? Iba rin mag-isip. Kasi iba sabihin talaga, huwag ka mag-heart over mind. Dapat mind over heart. Di ba? May ganyan.
I think, you know what, kay Ariel lang siya ganyan. Sa iba, hindi siya ganyan.
Ay, bakit daw?
Sa iba kung naging
Uy,
ka-relationship.
galing naman ni Ariel, ha? Talagang nakuha niya ang puso ni Mami.
Kahit na may mga past incidents, di ba?
Oo, di ba?
I think it's a mother's instinct. I think dyan pumasok yung mother's instinct.
Meron ba nun?
Meron.
talaga.
Feeling ko.
Kasi ngayon, mom ka na eh.
Yes.
Oo.
Meron.
Meron.
I think so. Or woman's instinct. Feeling
Talaga.
ko. I feel like that's what it was. I
Oh.
won't.
But look at you now, no? Such a happy family. Really.
Thank you, Lord.
I
Thank you,
think
Lord.
it's one of the few successful
Mm.
marriages and families in
Grateful.
showbiz, no?
Grateful for
Nakakatuwa.
that.
Yeah.
I think parang I just found the person for me.
Yeah, and you didn't even have to give up your job. And
Yeah.
neither did Ariel,
Neither
di ba?
did he.
Parang ang galing nung pagbalanse ninyo.
We didn't give up anything, but we probably lessened a lot of things that we could have been doing.
Like what?
Like, more work. At the time na we got married, I actually took a step back.
Oh, that's good.
Lalo na when I had my children.
Yeah.
Parang, wag na tayo muna mag-movie, mag-TV na lang. Or may ganon. Kasi
It's a
Ariel,
hard choice though.
yeah, it was hard, but then I wanted it. It was clear. It was clear to me what I wanted. I remember bata pa lang ako, talagang ang pangarap ko sa buhay was to have a family, to be a mom,
Talaga?
to be a wife.
Talaga, not to be famous and kasi yan ang
If I could have it, along with that, it would be great. But then as a young kid, that's what I wanted. So feeling ko parang yun ang binigyan ng Diyos siguro.
Galing. Yeah, he honored your desire.
I guess. I
Because
prayed
it's
for
a good
that.
desire.
Siguro nga.
Yeah.
I think it's a good desire, don't you think?
Of course, raising family.
'Di ba? Parang
Oh.
that was one of my, and even before I went back with Ariel, I actually prayed for that. Na okay, if this is it, show me a sign. If it's not,
Yeah.
let's move on.
Yeah.
Eh, ang sign ko, hindi ko pala nakwento yun. Ang sign ko, si Mommy talking to me.
Yun na yun. Eh, no?
Yun na yung sign ko. Sabi, ay, shit, di ko pala. Ay,
Si Lord na yun eh.
si Lord na sumagot. Sinagot na niya ako, makinig na ako.
Oo, tama.
Tama na yung pride.
Oy, tsaka in-honor mo si Mami.
Yes!
May reward yun. Nasa 10 Commandments ba?
Honor your father and your mother.
Correct. And you will live long in the land. Oh, which is what's happening to you, no? Yeah, good. Okay. Okay, did you have, at that time, kasi usually, di ba, pag showbiz personality, tapos yun na nga, brinake ng boyfriend, tapos star din yung, third party, di ba? Parang, usually kasi ngayon, minamanage yung mga stars, di ba? Yung image nila. May mga PR. Ikaw ba, may crisis plan ka ba nun? For your career, to salvage it, yung, para hindi ka magmukhang kawawa, iniwan.
If ever there was, it wasn't coming from me.
Mm.
Kasi I was around mga 22,
Oo.
22 years
So, walang
old.
ganun pa noon.
21. Wala sa psyche ko yun. Ngayon kasi meron na silang ganyan eh.
Oo,
mga
di
bagets.
ba?
Naiintindihan na nila yan eh. Pero at that time, in the 90s, hindi ko pa na-absorb yan.
Oo.
I was just busy doing the work and falling in love, being heartbroken. But yung manager ko at that time who was Tito Dogs.
Yeah.
Siya yun.
Quijano.
Douglas
Oo.
Quijano. That was him. All him.
And he was managing it, I guess, in
I
a way.
think, yeah, he
no?
was. He
Yeah.
did. He did manage
Oo.
it. He managed it in a way na he got me more work. He got me to be very busy.
Oh, that's good.
Tapos inaaliw niya talaga ako, nilalabas niya ako, and all that stuff. And then yun nga, siguro nag-uusap sila ni Mami na, bantay mo si Jerry or whatever. Ganun lang. Pero iba-iba ngayon. Iba ngayon.
Paano na ngayon?
Feeling ko
Tama
pa,
sa
ngayon kasi social media is so powerful. At least at that time, makokontrol mo pa yung kung sino makakaalam, makakakita ng mga nangyayari or kung ano yung sinasabi mo. Manageable eh.
Yeah.
Kasi you can choose to be interviewed and choose not to be interviewed. You can go out and have late nights and nobody will really know unless there's press.
Yeah.
Now, anywhere you go, anything you do, anything you say, so easy to
Yeah.
get a video of, so easy to be shared.
So, ikaw ba? Are you conscious of that? Do you take care of that when you're in public?
Right now,
Oo. Or
Not-
you have,
not as bad as the other stars kasi sila yung mas may interest ng tao. Kami naman hindi naman gano'n. I mean, especially for me, hindi ako conscious sa gano'n.
tsaka you have nothing to hide, Jelly.
I guess
Kasi
so.
nga, ang linis ng buhay mo.
I guess also.
Oo,
I guess also.
Parang wala kang, hidden
At saka feeling ko parang
Wala
kahit
kang
naman malaman ninyo,
skeletons. I mean, let's
At
just
kahit-
say, di ba?
yeah, at kahit na makita nila yung skeletons, this is me.
Yeah.
It's who I am.
It's the skeleton.
Oo, I'm already 53. Wala na, hayaan nyo na. Hayaan nyo na ako.
Tantanan yun.
Oo.
Oo, no? Oh, yeah. So, pero si Janice, did she also mature over the years? Parang,
Yes.
ano?
She's changed a lot.
Kasi yung buhay din niya is far more complicated than yours.
Oh,
Kaya nga
yeah.
parang ang galing ng sisterhood niyo. Parang it's a stunning contrast in a way, no?
Yeah. I learned a lot from her experiences.
Oo.
I think that's why. And whatever she's gone through in life, I take what I can, I throw away what I shouldn't.
But
live with. Ganon.
were you close?
When we were kids, not so much. Kasi 5 years yung age gap namin. Eh.
Oo.
Imagine a 10-year-old and a 5-year-old.
Yes.
Wala.
Right.
But when we had our family na, when we got married, yun, doon kami naging close. Nung sabay na kami nagbubuntis, yung mga ganyan. Yun, doon kami naging close. And then, after her separation, mas kaming naging close pa.
From John.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi it gave us more time to be together.
Yeah.
It gave her an opening to be more open. It gave her parang a chance to be more open with her life.
Yeah.
Kasi at that time siguro marami rin siyang iniisip, tinatago, or sinusuppress. Pero when all of that was done with, open na siya. Everything, let's go.
Yeah.
What do you want to know? Ganun na.
How difficult is it for a sibling to carry also the burdens of their sibling?
Well, at that time, it was difficult kasi in the beginning, she was in denial. And then,
About
what was going on? About the situations that were happening in her life. So parang, ako alita
ikaw
mundo.
alam mo.
Alam ko kasi alita mundo eh.
Oo.
Alita mundo ng
Tsaka
show business eh.
Yes, exactly.
So nalalaman ko. So,
So, ano sinasabi mo sa kanya?
namimili ako ng time. Kasi minsan na nangyayari, pag nagsasabi ka, ikaw yung masama.
Oo.
You're the bearer of bad news. Sometimes, you're the one that's ostracized. But of course, I didn't let that stop me.
Ikaw pa.
Oo, I didn't let that stop me. So, I did what I could to actually help her. Kasi, naisip ko, if I were in her shoes, I would want to know.
Can you tell us, I don't know how far you can go, but you knew that there was another party. Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Parang, and everybody knew it, I suppose. Kasi,
Yeah. Well, a lot of
Oo.
people around in the industry or around
Yeah.
the circle of
Yeah.
people that they hang out with.
Acquaintances, I
Yeah.
guess, no?
Mm-mm.
And did she know it, but she was denying it? Or did she really honestly not really know?
No, I think it was more of she was not ready. She was not ready yet to accept it
Oo.
or to listen to it, which is understandable. But of course, at that time, I was so frustrated
Yeah.
because I wanted to protect her, pero I couldn't. Kasi siya mismo ayaw. Pero, syempre, dumating din, parang, ganito yan, parang you just wait. You just wait and at least you've done, I did my part, I let you know.
Yeah.
Do what you
Oo.
want with the information that I gave you. Bahala ka, it's your time. It's your time to think about things. And then when she did make her decision, she called me and said, this is it.
Mm.
O de, parang, o nga naman, you wait for her to make a decision. It's her life,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
Di ko naman ma-impose sa kanya lahat. Yan parang, wait ka na lang. Binigay ko na saya kanya. Wait na lang ako.
At bago po tayo magpatuloy, huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, at magkomento. And please, stay till the end. And in the meantime that you were seeing your brother-in-law do that to your sister, that must have been painful also for you.
Of course it was. It was. That's why I wanted to do something about it. Kasi, hindi lang naman siya yung apektado eh, yung mga anak nila eh. I didn't want them to also think that this is a normal thing. So, that's why I went out of my way to actually talagang help my sister with regards to that. Kasi, if I sit down, what kind of sister am I? I know I risk being a kontrabida. I know I risked being called nosy, chismosa. I knew I risked actually getting on her bad side. But it is more important to get it right.
Yes.
Kasi in hindsight parang, 'di ba, parang you knew that she didn't say anything.
Yeah. Pero ang galing din ng relationship nyo, no? Solid in that sense.
Maybe
no?
it's because of how we were also raised.
Yeah.
I think that's a big thing.
Parents talaga, no?
Yeah.
Parents really play a big part, no? In keeping
Exactly.
family together.
Yung,
Oo.
yun talaga yun. It's how you're raised.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's how that's how you react. It is your norm. It is what you know.
Yeah.
And that's why nga I wanted so much to get it right for her.
Yes.
Because I didn't want those children to actually grow up
Right.
na confused.
Oo. Oo.
Na kahit naman ngayon, confused pa rin sila. Pero at least less confused.
Well, they know that it's life.
Yeah.
Life happens.
Now
Sabi
that
nga.
they're older, they
Yeah.
understand.
Yes, that's true. Oh, let's talk about your career. Alam mo, ang galing mo rin kasi on the one hand, komedyante ka, nakatawa ka. Pero, hey, nanalo rin to ng Gawad Urian, ha, for Best Actress. And it was a dramatic role. How
Yeah.
do you do that? Where did you learn that? Wala namang acting schools dito sa Pilipinas, no?
Oh, pero maraming workshops. Although at the time, siguro I had only gone through a few workshops because it was something that they actually offered sa Viva kasi I used to be with Viva. But then siguro sa kagustuhan ko na rin talagang umarte. Ewan ko. Maarte lang talaga. So I guess it happened. It was just really a big break, that movie. Kasi like you said, comedy
Yeah.
yung tema ko na kinalakihan. And si Sarah Jane mismo ang dahilan kung bakit ko nakuha yung role.
Bakit?
Because fan niya pala ako.
Oh, fan mo siya?
Fan ko siya pala. Nababaliktad. Fan ko pala siya.
Oo.
So she said, gusto ko si Jelly de Belen ang gagawa ng role.
Oh, I see.
Buti na lang, kundi di ko nakuha yung role.
Pero feel mo talaga rin, no?
Yes,
Buti
I watched,
naman.
nag-research ako sa kanya. I
Yes.
spoke to her before we did the movie.
For your information, si Sarah kasi siya yung AIDS.
Yeah.
Ano nga siya? First AIDS, di ba?
Not naman first, but she was one of the more famous, she was an AIDS
page.
spokesperson at the time eh.
Yeah.
Kay panahon pa to ni Flavier.
Yes. Okay.
So,
Tapos
anyway,
we
she
were
was-
trying to push for, di ba, parang using condoms. I mean,
Yeah,
iba,
that was the
ganun
time.
yung, advocacy nun.
That was an advocacy.
Oo,
And then,
and to stay safe.
to stay safe. To practice safe sex.
Oo, yan.
Ay, naku, ano yung, ibibip nyo lang yun kasi bawal, ayaw ng YouTube yun.
Alin, safe sex?
Oo. Ay,
Hindi, hindi bawal yun. Ulitin mo, safe sex.
Safe sex.
Safe nga eh.
So yun. So
Oo.
yun yung panahon na yun. And then, they wanted to do a movie about Sarah Jane,
Yeah.
I mean, on her life. And then she said, gusto ko si Jelly de Belen. Buti na lang.
Oo, no?
Buti na lang.
Did you prepare for that role?
Yeah.
I mean,
I prepared, like, I interviewed with her, nag-usap kami, tiningnan ko kung papaano siya, observe ko siya. And then they even sent me videos of her interviews. And, of course, the story. And then, of course, Mario J. De Los Reyes was the director, and I
yeah.
felt really comfortable with him. He explained to me everything. It was it was difficult kasi first full-length drama. Although I've done drama before sa Viva, but never this heavy.
yeah.
And then, what's this? When we were doing the movie, syempre parang ang dami kong bagong ginawa. Like, yung full-on kissing scenes, and even more intimate than kissing scenes.
Sex.
Yeah. Exactly.
I-bleep na naman.
Oo. Tapos, dancer. So, sexy dancing. Like,
wow.
I was dancing all the time.
Wow.
Di ba, nung bata, pag teenager ka, dun yun ang promotion mo dancing. But, never sexy dance like this, na talagang sexy dance on stage.
Yeah.
So, lahat yun, this was all new. And then, doing drugs, and then all of that in that movie. So, it was a lot. It was really a lot. And I learned so much. Buti na lang.
Grabe. And parang yung winawaksi mo yung image ng komedyante doon di ba?
Oo.
Parang kumbaga, forget Jelly the comedian. Di ba?
Yeah.
Instead, Di ba you have to prove yourself as a dramatic
Of course,
actor?
at that time, hindi ko naman naisip yun na ganun ka-crucial yung ginagawa ko. I just did it.
Yeah.
Thinking na, okay, this is a hard role. I was just focused on the challenge. Na, can I do this? I'm not sure.
Pero well, tinanggap ka at in-award pa, oh.
Thank you, Lord.
Oo. So how is it like for, at your age, syempre, sabihin na natin, you're past your prime. Housework for someone like you.
Well, not
And
as...
your friends na mga kaedad mo.
Yeah.
no?
Not as in like in volume like before,
Yeah.
obviously, which is fine.
Yeah.
I think I'm at that point na I can be more relaxed and chill with what I do. I'm not running after anything anymore.
Yeah. May award ka na, no?
Hindi ko nga pa baka mami, chamba lang yun eh. Ko. Tapos, I get to spend time with my kids. I go back and forth kasi
Yun ang
because my
masarap.
kids are, both of them are in Canada. So, I go back and forth. So, it gives me more time with them. And, iba na nga yung industry. So, iba na yung kailangan. Iba na yung mga focus. So, nagkakaroon ng ibang work din ako na aside from acting lang.
Yeah.
Although, di ba, parang we did sis for a long time. So,
Yes,
medyo
right.
sanay din mag-host.
Oo.
So, gustong-gusto ko rin yun.
Oo.
So, I get to do a lot of other things na pwede kong piliin.
And you have a podcast, di ba?
Yes, we do.
Yeah. So, isa pa yun, no?
Oo.
So, in a way talagang... ang
Meron
galing
pa
din,
rin.
no? Oo,
Meron
no?
pa rin. Basta ako naman parang, I wanna work. I'll do anything. Basta enjoy.
Yeah. And Ariel, what about Ariel? What's he doing?
Ariel's still singing.
Nagko-concert pa.
You know, people
diba?
think na si Ariel hasn't been singing for a bit. Actually, ang dami niyang kanta.
Oo nga.
Puro private functions. Private or corporate events
Yeah.
and all of that. Kumakanta pa din siya. Sabi ko, okay Lalo na pag Pasko.
Yeah. No, I imagine.
Pag Christmas kasi is Christmas song, di ba? So pag Pasko talagang
At
usong-uso si
saka
Ariel.
party lahat.
Oh, lahat ng
diba?
Christmas party nandun siya.
Yeah. So, it's a good time for you, no? Parang there's,
I think so.
wala nang pressure. Tapos at the same
Yeah.
time, you've earned enough to also live a comfortable life. At least, di ba,
At least
stable.
stable man lang, di ba?
Oo,
Yeah,
diba?
I think so. And
Yeah.
I think at this age, ang swerte lang ng mga people our age, we're more mature, so we're not too conscious about what other people think.
Yeah.
We're not too conscious about keeping up with the times.
Yeah.
We're just like happy as we are.
Yeah.
And if you're at this age and you accept and love yourself, like sincerely, truly, I think you'll be fine. Whatever it is, whatever you do. Ay, hindi ba okay yan? O, dito tayo. O, di ba?
Eh, ikaw kasi, ang ganda-ganda naman ng katawan mo and your skin remains flawless.
It's with a lot of effort. It is with a lot of effort.
Talaga lang?
Yeah.
So you do gym?
Yeah.
Talaga
At
you
home.
do? Because you're so fit. You look so
Thank
fit.
you. Thank you.
Oo.
Gym at home lang Nothing. I don't go to the gym and get a trainer. YouTube is my trainer.
Oo, talaga.
Ang dami sa YouTube. At saka parang empower yourself lang with information on how you can take care of your body, especially kung anong age ka, para ano ba ang bagay sa'yo. Baka naman mamaya, HIIT training ka pa dyan, meron ka pang ano, parang pag 50s ka na, at chill lang. Dapat meron kang mask kasi mga ganyan-ganyan. Tapos syempre, taking care of your skin para masaya.
Grabe
Kasi
ka.
it's part of
ganda
the
nga.
work.
Hindi naman to walang ka-wrinkle-wrinkle.
Meron din. Pero, pahid ako ng pahid ng kung ano-ano sa mukha ko. Kung ano-ano pinapahid ko dyan.
Okay, what about your family? And ito, I think that hindi naman secret to, di ba? It's a secret hidden in plain sight. Sabi nga nila, your family is such a happy one.
I'm so grateful for that.
No? And, but you have chosen to eventually, I think, live in Canada. Am I correct?
No.
You will still retire here?
As of, wala kaming specific plans. I think I would still, what would be the most extreme scenario is parang maybe stay there 6 months, 5 months.
So, pabalik-balik lang
Pabalik
talaga.
pa rin ako.
So, you have no plans of becoming a Canadian citizen?
Citizen. If it happens, it happens. Pero I won't like really aspire for it na if it happens, it happens. Because ang ganda naman talaga sa Canada. But then more than anything, it's where my kids are. And that is home.
They've chosen to be there.
Yes, they
Ayaw
have.
nila rito.
They,
Bakit?
the opportunities they have there, they will not have here. Unless siguro, mga kakilala, mga parang
Connections, no?
connections and all that. Pero doon kasi they get to be normal. They have their freedom. They have their independence. Whatever they have achieved is because of theirs alone.
Yes.
Their hard work alone.
Yes.
And the way of life there is different from here. And I think they've come to love that way of life. Yun talagang desisyon nila. Pero sabi ko sa kanila, well, what if? What if ganito, magkaroon kayo ng chance dito sa Pilipinas, gano'n. Okay din naman, open din naman sila. Pero right now, doon muna sila. Yun ang gusto nila. Di sige. Kung nasaan sila, doon ako pupunta.
Oo. Yeah.
Wala akong choice.
At some point naman talaga, you have to let go of your children.
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah.
They have their own lives to live. But in the meantime, kayo ni Ariel, ganun lang.
Pabalik-balik lang
Balik-balik
kami. Pabalik lang kami. Actually, marami nga nag-iisip na doon ako nakatira eh.
Oo nga eh.
Ang dami
parang
nag-isip
you're hardly
na-
here.
Yeah, but it just seems like it. But I am there like twice or thrice a year and
Oh.
5 weeks, 6 weeks at a time.
In leadership, communication is not just about speaking clearly, it's also about helping people understand, trust, and act. That's why I invite you to Beyond Words, the leader's art of clear, credible, and compelling communication. See you there.
Okay, you're never timid about expressing your opinion on anything. Did you ever express your opinion on anything outside of showbiz? Like politics, for example? Do you even ever talk about it? I can't imagine that you don't. Kasi napaka-outspoken mo rin.
I do talk about it, but then there has never been really a venue for me to express myself freely, knowing that everybody will be listening or will hear what I am about to say and will judge it. Syempre, mas careful ako ng konti kasi wag din naman ako magmagaling. Marami akong opinion. Pero, it doesn't necessarily mean I will share it for everyone to listen because I know that I do not know enough. So we can have a conversation like this, the two of us or the three of us or us having dinner. I will share to death. But then for other people who I don't know
Not
to
publicly.
listen, it's not for them to listen to because one, I am still a celebrity. Parang I represent something pa rin naman. Second, I do not know enough or I'm not educated enough to be able to make all these assumptions for everybody to actually absorb and think about also. So parang, sino ako para magsalita ng ganon? Pero pag tayo-tayo lang, go! I'm all in!
Kasi ang dami mong barkada na, I mean, for example, Aiko Melendez.
Yes.
I mean, ang dami mong barkada na
Oo.
artista rin, pero some of them have made forays into
Into politics.
Yeah.
That's not my cup
Hindi
of
naman kayo
tea.
nag-aaway-away doon. I mean,
Hindi!
Hindi.
Tatanong nga ako sa kanya, anong chismis?
chismis naman.
At saka pag may nagaganap, text ko siya, ano nangyayari? Bakit ganyan?
Oo.
Tapos pag alam niya, minsan sasabihin niya sa akin, pag hindi niya alam, sabihin niya, ay nako, hindi ko rin alam.
But does the state of the country affect celebrities like
Of course. Of course.
And how do you cope with it? I mean, I just wonder if pareho lang ba kayo ng ordinaryong mamamayan
Pareho.
na apektado ng mga pangyayari?
parehong-pareho, lain ng kaguluhan na nagaganap ngayon, apektado kami. Kasi syempre, parang pati rin yung faith namin sa government, nag-iiba. Yung instead of being, progressive as a country, with all the opportunities that we have, all the knowledge and information we have, parang nagre-regress, di ba? Parang, imbis na masaya, progressive, developing, parang paatras ang andar natin. So, di ba nakaka-put off, paano ba yan? Puro lang tayo salita, puro tayo press release, na we are like this, we are like that, but actually, we are decaying inside.
And you're probably feeling it more because you go to Canada.
And I see it, that's right. And I see the difference. Sabi ko, oy, ba't ganun? But mind you, marami ring maganda sa Philippines. As, parang I choose Philippines over whatever is over there.
Yeah.
Pero yung opportunities for every person, anybody,
Yeah.
na nakukuha at na ibibigay, parang sayang. Pwede naman dito yun, ba't hindi nagagawa dito yun?
Oo, no?
Lalo na yung mga like education and health.
Yeah.
Parang these are very basic things that is in the Constitution. Ano ba, una pa lang ata yun o pangalawa or something. Bakit hindi basic yan eh? Yan ang magiging dahilan para maging progressive yung bansa. Bakit hindi maigbigay ng tama, di ba? Ayun na, nagsalita na ako. Ayoko na pala.
Pero bakit? Sa tingin nyo, napag-uusapan nyo ba yan? Kayong mga artista, kasi mga artista yung mga barkada mo.
Oo,
no? Parang
bilang
what is it?
tao.
Values ba to? Kayo pa naman. I mean, you do help mold values.
That's
with
true.
the roles you play.
With the voice that we have, no?
Exactly. Yeah.
That's why I'm also careful. Because this platform, we also have to take care of it kasi meron siyang konting power to move and change
Yes,
other people's minds.
exactly.
That's why dapat careful din sa mga sinasabi at ginagawa, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi whether you like it or not, when people see it, ay pwede pala.
Mm-mm.
Ay, kaya nga kakatakot ang social media because anybody can be a reporter, anybody can have an opinion, and whatever you throw out there, and whoever's watching, if they're not mature enough or well-rounded enough to absorb it in a good way,
In the right way.
in the right way,
Yeah.
halaka, yun na rin ang gagawin nila. Di ba, scary?
Oo, it is.
It's so scary. At least noon, controlled ang lumalabas. Certain media is TV, radio, newspaper.
And that's it.
That's it.
At saka ano siya, organized.
Organized.
Structure.
You have journalists.
You know who they are, no?
Yes, you have
Oo.
journalists. You have graduates of communication and all that. And they're the ones who bring that to you. And now, anybody can. Anybody has an opinion. Which is also a good thing.
Yeah, that's
Because
not
you have
bad.
everybody has a platform, but then how do you separate the truth from the lies? How do you separate what's good from what's bad? Especially when you're 12 years old, 15 years old. Di ba? Kung ako nga, natatanso pa naloloko pa. What more the kids?
Yeah.
Hala, dahil ko na nasabi.
Hindi ka naman natatakot mabash, no? Wala kang ganun. You don't
pag-
seem to have any fear of that.
Pag nabash, di nabash. And then mag-move on. As long as it's not something that I did bad to someone, or it's an opinion This is my opinion. You can't tell me to believe in stuff that you believe in, di ba? Parang, if I respect that you have different politics, you have different beliefs, you respect mine.
Yes.
And if I voice out my opinion, it's my opinion. Hindi ko naman sinabi sa'yo, ikaw maniwala ka sa sinasabi ko Sinasabi ko lang, gusto ko sabihin.
Sana ganun tayong lahat, no?
Hindi naman tayo ganun tayong lahat.
Oo,
Hindi ganun
dinidip-dip natin ang mga, ano natin, pagkakaiba, no? I mean,
Oo
I
nga.
think that's very Filipino. Parang, when we
Ay,
disagree, parang,
If you disagree with me,
hindi ko na siya friend.
Oo. Ang hirap kasi, no?
Ang hirap, ang
May ganun
hirap.
tayo ganun.
Oo.
But Judy,
Oo. No, I agree. But really, sarap mo kausap.
ay,
Oo, no filter.
no
No
filter.
filter jelly.
I'm afraid tuloy, baka mamaya.
Baka,
Good luck.
baka ako mabash dito.
Baka Naku, pareho tayo. At least may kasama ka.
Or thank you, ha?
Thank you, Lucy.
very, very, very much. I enjoyed it. Salamat.
In leadership, communication is not just about speaking clearly, it's also about helping people understand, trust, and act. That's why I invite you to Beyond Words, the leader's art of clear, credible, and compelling communication. See you there.
If you like what you just saw, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.